Just looking to get some gas.
I don't see a car.
I don't have a car.
How did you get this?
I found it when I was young. It was in a junkyard. So, can you help me out or what? It all started at an early age. By the time I was 12, I had a lemonade stand, several paper routes, but it all seemed so cumbersome and ineffective. So, I consolidated and disrupted the market. I founded Lemon Paper, and by the time I was 21, I had started and shuttered a dozen companies. I wanted to follow the footsteps of the greats, Branson, Jobs, Gates, skipped college and decided to open up another company. I was out to change the world, and then I wanted to connect to users, create some type of rapport for our new launch. Stop my brand from sucking.com, then the follow-up site, my brand sucks ass, what do I do now.com. My dad's a huge Elvis fan, so he couldn't resist having my initials be TCB. TCB is Elvis' motto for taking care of business.
That's a nice story, but I'm actually more interested in what TC stands for.
I bet you are. How about you tell me more about these stars?
You jerk, I just told you I'm named after the keel of a boat.
And that's really cute. And mine's embarrassing.
Oh, well now you have to tell me.
You'll just have to bribe me.
I'll tell you anything you want to know about the constellation.
Ah, you've been doing that all night.
Oh, okay. Would you tell me for a kiss?
And a heartbeat. I said, what are you doing out here?
Just learning a new language.
Ciao. Tony. Piacere.
Elizabeth, piacere.
May I sit down?
Your pronunciation is perfect.
I practice. Here. Let's start with this part. Mi indicarezzi la direzione?
Mi indicarezzi la direzione?
La direzione.
La direzione?
Your pronunciation is perfect. Dove vai? Stai con me.
Dove vai? Stai con me?
Ti amo. Io non ti lascerò.
Ti amo. Io non ti lascerò.
Use the tip of your tongue and relax the jaw.
Io non ti lascerò.
Continua. Ah yes, wie geht's? I am Dr. Klaus von Togelpol, and no doubt you see we have the most wunderbar selection of premium lubricated condoms to make his and her enjoyment fun and excitingly different. The team here in Germany have spent many years developing a top secret formula for a comfortable and sensitive, yet strong and reliable protection. And in case you are a rubber alliance by trying to steal my secrets, no. Don't be silly. Only my employees have the security code to my laboratories, and no Billy Boy employee would ever be foolish enough to let you in. Unless you're seduced by a smoking hot vixen. Mit geilen Brüsten.